Sarah says, is it permissible to give zakat to charity organizations that get relief funds where they provide calamity-stricken people with food or clothes? This is an issue of dispute. The default is that we must give the poor zakat money in cash, and they decide whether they want to buy medicine or pay their rent or pay their bills or buy food. This is up to them, not to our preference. It's not for us to have the zakat money and say, okay, this poor family needs clothes, we'll buy them clothes. Maybe they need something else. So it's not my preference. The default is I have to give it to them in cash. However, some scholars like Sheikh bin Baz, may Allah have mercy on his soul, say that it is permissible to give them items that are not cash, such as food or clothes. And it seems to me, and Allah knows best, and this is my own opinion, that giving it to charity organizations as zakat that we trust and we know that they'll buy food, clothes, and whatever the poor and calamity-struck areas people need, and they're Muslims and they're deserving, if we trust them, I believe that this is permissible because it is not feasible nor practical to go to such areas that was, for example, flooded with floods and give them cash money to go and buy food. For them, that would be more burdensome to know where to get the food, and they'll get it with much higher prices. So the vast majority of them would authorize these charity organizations to just get us anything. Food, water, clothes, shelter, whatever. We need all of this. And you have full authority to do that. And by doing this, they can buy it as a wholesale cheaper, and they can provide this service to the needy and the poor in a better, convenient way. And Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.